Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious and tasty organic chicken curry with coconut milk. And it's very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. The ingredients I'm going to use: one whole organic chicken, 1 can coconut milk is unsweetened, and 1 large onion. You can use any color. I'm going to make a chicken curry with coconut milk. The water is strictly optional. If you want a running gravy, you can add 1 cup water. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, white pepper, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons salt, and homemade garam masala, 2 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. I'm going to use white pepper and this is fine powder. For our tadka, 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 Thai chili, and 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. To garnish our chicken curry, fresh cilantro, dhania, coriander leaves. And let's start making our delicious chicken curry. Organic chicken, I took out the skin, I cut into small pieces and wash with the cold water. Both of the drumsticks, I make a small 3 cut. Let's start making our delicious organic chicken curry with coconut milk. Get a karahi or wok, start gas and keep the gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera. And we're going to give like a 10 second. And I'll bring ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cover it and we're going to mix it. This is good. We're going to give like 20 seconds. And now I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well. Keep mixing and we're going to keep cooking our onion until they get nicely transparent. Onions are nicely translucent. Now I'm going to bring all the spices: salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, green chilies, white pepper, and mix it well. We're going to cook the spices along with our tadka for half minute. Cooking our spices for half minute. Now I'm going to bring the chicken. Mix it well. Keep mixing with our tadka. Bring the tadka from bottom to top. It's like this. And on high gas, cook for 5 minutes. Keep mixing so it won't get burned. On high gas, cooking our chicken for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring coconut milk. Now I'm going to bring gas on medium. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined with the coconut milk, cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and then we're going to stir it so that it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking for 15 minutes on medium gas with the cover lid. I opened it twice and I stir it. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring kasuri methi and I'm going to rub it on my hand. The whole reason I'm doing it, if there is any big strand, we can take it out. On medium gas, we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes of cooking on medium gas. I opened it once and I stir it again. So now, this is the perfect gravy, and as I mentioned earlier, if you want more gravy, you can add it more. Now I'm going to bring cilantro, dhania, mix it well. Our delicious organic chicken curry with coconut milk is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious organic chicken with coconut milk is all ready. Perfect suits with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha and rice flour. Please try it. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.